Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a Grindr registration error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, first thing you gotta do is simply gotta have to access your particular Grindr app on your phone. Afterwards, you can see we will have this kind of interface and we're trying to log in and register and we're not being able to. So first thing you're gonna do, you go back and open your app store, go to search bar, type in Grindr, search it up, and make sure your app shows open instead of update. So if it shows update, go ahead, tap on it and update your app. That will simply solve out your problem. Other thing would be simply now opening up your Grindr, and make sure to add in the legitimate and real information without missing any. Once you have provided all of the information, you will be able to again use it accordingly and you're good to go. If it still doesn't work, make sure to simply remove this from your device and again install it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching.